Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere where Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere where Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Chalo, now with more energy, come on. I want everyone to sing it with me. Come on, start. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere where Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere where Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Okay, bachcho. Now sit down. Sit down. Now get your English copy. We'll write down the words. Look at the picture and write the correct word. अच्छा बच्चों, for the exam आपको words को read करना भी आना चाहिए. ठीक है? Oral parts reading I'll take. ठीक है, हम लोग जो words read करते हैं using the phonic sound, ऐसे आपको read करना आना चाहिए. So do practice at home as well. So write down the date 29/11/2021. Bachcho, you write down the date and then write down the heading. Look at the picture and write the correct word. Okay. So as we had completed all the vowel sound words, क्योंकि हमने vowel sound सारे words complete कर लिए हैं. So today we are going to write down the words together. A sound के, E sound, I, O, U सब sound के words हम mix लिखेंगे आज. चलो, come on. The first one is very simple. It's a cat. Write down. K-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Write down 2 times at least, each word. K-A-T, cat. Number 2. What is this? Pin. Pin. So, प किसका sound होता है? P. In. I-N. In. P-in. Pin. P-in. Pin. Write down all the words 2 times. Read and write. Whatever you are writing in your notebook, whether it is of Hindi, Maths, English, so whatever you are writing, you should read it first and then write it in the copy. Number 3. Laksh, are you writing or not? Write down. Hot. What is this? It's the picture of hot. Hot, hot. अब बोल कर देखो, phonic sound बोल कर देखो and write down the spelling. सबसे पहले क्या आ रहा है? Hot. ह. तो which letter says H? H. Ought. O-T. Ought. So O and T. T. Ought. Hot. Write down each word 5 times. Number 4. Number 4 is hut. H, hut. H. Which letter says H? H. Then at. A किसका sound होता है? U. And T. H, at, hut. Write down each word at least 2 times. H, at, hut. Then what is this? Hen. H and hen. H. Again H. Then N. E N. H and hen. अगर A होता तो हम हैन पढ़ते, हमारा पूरा मुंह खुलता, बट हैन हमारा मुंह नहीं खुल रहा, दैट मीन्स E आएगा. H and hen. Okay, you write down this. I'll be back. Write down. T. Okay. Now, अभी मैम ने आपको बताया था एग. अगर हमारा मुंह हम लोग किसी अक्षर को खींचते हैं ए, तो मतलब दैट मीन्स वहां पर ए है. तो एग. अभी हमारा मुंह पूरा खुल रहा है ना, तो यहाँ पर विल राइट ए. तो एग. ग कौन से लेटर का साउंड है? विच लेटर सेज ग? जी. Like this, try to write the words after saying it. To, T says to, A says a, and g, G says g. To, g, tag. Try to write after saying phonic sound. आप try करिए लिखने की. To, g, tag. T says to, A says a, and G says g. To, ag, tag. Now next one. It's log. A big piece of wood. Log. 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 L. So the word starts with L. है ना? तो which letter says L? Which letter says L? L. Okay, L. Og. O. Og. Og. So O and G. G. L. Og. Log. Yash. Yash, have you written? Okay. So, अगर आपने लिख लिया है तो read it. Read it. Pay attention. Log. Log. Now, number 8. Number 8 is, look, what is this? It's a mug. Chalo, we'll try to write it using phonic sound. अब आप बोल कर देखो, mug. Mug किससे start हो रहा है? What is the beginning sound? पहला sound क्या आ रहा है mug में? म. तो which letter says म? कौन सा letter म निकालता है? M. Okay, म. Then ug. A, g, ug. Okay. So a कौन से letter का sound होता है? Which letter says a? Sorry. G, U. Ma, a, g. G. G कौन सा letter g बोलता है? G. G says g. Ma, ug, mug. M, U, G. Ma, ug, mug. Number 9. Number 9 is fin. Number 9 is fin. For in fin. For F. F says for. Then in. I and in. For in fin. For in fin. For in fin. Now, next is number 10. What is this? It's a den. Den क्या है? Den is the home of lion. Gufa. Den. Do and den. Do. Which letter says do? D. Which letter says do? D. Do. E. N. E. अभी अच्छा. Look everyone. अभी मैं ए बोल रही हूँ कि ए बोल रही हूँ. And Dan है कि den है? It's den. हमारा देखो मुंह नहीं खुल रहा पूरा. Den. That means यहाँ पर E है. E N. Den. Do and den. अगर do and den होता मतलब वहां पर A होता. ठीक है? यदि राइम इज हुआ चला स्कूल. लेट्स स्टार्ट. नई पैंट और गले में टाई, चला स्कूल चूहा लो भाई, पढ़ लिख कर वह आएगा, सब पर रौब जमाएगा. बिल्ली मौसी भी हुई हैरान, चूहे को ना सकी पहचान. वेरी गुड. चलो वन मोर टाइम स्टार्ट. नई पैंट और गले में टाई, चला स्कूल चूहा लो भाई, पढ़ लिख कर वह आएगा, सब पर रौब जमाएगा. कम ऑन एवरीवन. बिल्ली मौसी भी हुई हैरान, चूहे को न सकी पहचान. ओके चलो. ऑल राइट बच्चों. Come on now, get your max copy बच्चों. So today we are going to draw the shapes. वैसे हमने shapes कर रखे हैं, but today we are going to draw in the copy. Get your mathematics copy and write down today's date, 29/11/2021. So so the first one is circle. Circle is round and it has no corners and no sides. एक circle के एक भी corner नहीं होते हैं. It has no ends and no sides. Okay? And no corners. Circle is round. इसकी कोई भी corners, कोई भी side या कोई भी end नहीं होता. Make a circle. Look, one dot is given. Start from here. Make a big circle and ends here on the same dot. Circle. You have to draw and color it. Make circle. Start from the dot, round, 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 and finishes on the same dot. Circle. A circle is having no side and no corners, and it has no end as well. Come on. You have to draw and color the pictures. Now, next. Triangle. Next is triangle. So a triangle is having 3 sides and 3 corners. देखो एक triangle की कितनी sides है? 1, 2, 3 and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. So some dots are given here. You only have to join. Join from here, making a slanting line. Then again make a slanting line and sleeping line. Triangle. Start from the dot, make a slanting line, again make a slanting line and sleeping line. Triangle. And the last one is square. A square is having 4 sides and 4 corners. And all the 4 sides of a square are equal. Okay? So, how to make? You only have to join the dots. Make one sleeping line, standing lines, and again sleeping line. Square. Square. A square is having 4 sides and 4 corners. Square. And all the 4 sides of a square are equal. Square. Everyone, join your hands together. The school is over for us today. Done our work, done our play. Before we go, we come to say, thank you, Heavenly Father, for this beautiful day. All right, bacho, bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye. Enjoy. Yes, Rohan, good. Circle को थोड़ा बड़ा draw कर